Bitcoin is facing a major sell-off today, meaning that I was super wrong yesterday in my video. Things did not go exactly as predicted. I guess you can't win them all. Now in this video, I want to dig into the factors behind the current drop, as well as discuss if there is actually any reason to be worried right now. Do make sure to stick around until the end of the video also, because I have a very cool opportunity for you to earn some really insane yields right now using the Bancor platform. So make sure to stick around to learn more about that. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that's what you want to do, make sure you subscribe to the channel and just gently tap on that like button for the YouTube algorithm. By the way, if you want to long or to short Bitcoin or Ethereum, or maybe some top altcoins like Chainlink or Cardano, then you need to get yourself an account over on Femex. It is the best exchange for trading futures. And as a special bonus, if you use the link down below in the description to sign up for your account, you will be eligible to get up to $150 in Bitcoin trading bonuses, and you will also get 10% off of your fees. So if you are an experienced trader, do definitely check that out. Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin. It's doing things today. You've probably noticed, took the whole market down with it. I love how when Bitcoin starts going, everything else starts going right along with it. Obviously, there's a few exceptions. Some coins have done very well over the last couple days, but overall, not super awesome. Smashed right through support. I had really been hoping that $58,000 was going to hold. It didn't. What are you going to do? I guess Bitcoin had other plans. Now, the biggest reason for the sell-off, also the simplest reason, people were selling their Bitcoin. Whales stepped up selling pressure quite a bit yesterday. You can see here the exchange inflows for Bitcoin saw a massive spike just before the dump. We can also see here that the total number of Bitcoin whale accounts has actually been trending down for around 2 weeks now. There's actually a massive decline in Bitcoin whale accounts, around actually 50 whales. We're no longer whales, basically, a few days ago. Now, this has led some people to say, oh, that's it. Bull run's over. The whales are starting to sell. Game over. Was a lot of fun. Thanks for stopping by. See you again in 4 years. Look, just because some whales are selling Bitcoin, the market is not over. The bull run is not over. We should not be getting ready for a bear market. The problem with this kind of theory that, oh, the whales are selling so the bull run's over, the evidence doesn't really support those claims. We are currently near record highs for whales holding 1,000 or more Bitcoin. Obviously, we're down from the record now, but that record was hit only a few days ago. But take a look at this chart here. It shows the 2017 bull run. Whale addresses actually peaked a full 18 months before the all-time high. And they reached a cycle low just after the blow-off peak at $20,000. Whale addresses just peaked like a few days ago. People are already starting to talk about the end of the bull market. There is no reason to think that a few whales taking profits is going to bring an end to the bull run. That's not what we're talking about right here. Plus, a drop in whale addresses doesn't always mean that they're selling. Some of them obviously did, but probably not all of them. Some of them could just be doing things like dividing up their Bitcoin in different accounts, because 1,000 Bitcoin in one address, that's $55 million worth of Bitcoin. That's a lot of money and a lot of risk for one address. We could split that up into smaller amounts. Not a bad idea if you are a whale holding that much Bitcoin. Another factor spooking investors is a potential ban on Bitcoin in India. Woo! India ban FUD. Oh, it's always coming up. Personally, I'm not too worried about this, but I do want to break the situation down for you in really good detail. So I'm going to make a separate video for you on that. It'll be coming out in a few hours, so do stay tuned for that. But just understand, the bull run's not over. In fact, it's far from being over. I mean, heck, people are getting bearish and, freaked out when the U.S. stimulus pump hasn't even really started. Yeah, imagine when all those checks start arriving, people are going to start going out buying Bitcoin. I saw one estimate that said that $40 billion worth of the stimulus money is likely to enter the crypto markets. If that estimate ends up being true, that's pretty damn big, especially considering this statistic. According to a report from JP Morgan, Q1 2021 was led by retail investors not institutional investors. You can see here that institutions led Q4 2020, but that retail, they took charge again in Q1 2021. A lot of institutional money still did flow on in Q1. That's definitely there, but you can see a very noticeable decline in institutional interest from quarter on quarter. I'm curious to see if this picks up in Q2. I reckon that it will. I think we'll see a lot more institutional money coming in over the next few months. I just want to reiterate that $61,000, that's not the top for this bull run. Bitcoin's not even at 6 digits yet. There's no reason to be freaking out. Just another day in crypto. Learn to expect this. Remember, performance is the price that you pay for this volatility. It's going to be a watershed year 2021, so don't get shaken out. Be strong, guys. Now, on to the second part of the video. I want to tell you about a new opportunity to earn some yield. And no, this is not a sponsored segment. This is just an opportunity for you that I think that you should know about. I'm personally doing this. I thought you'd probably want to know as well about this cool opportunity. So basically, a pool recently opened up on Bancor for Matic tokens. I've started providing liquidity over there on Bancor on their decentralized exchange. Now, if you're not familiar with Bancor and who Bancor is, well, it's one of Ethereum's premier decentralized exchanges. You can also provide liquidity like you can over on Uniswap. Now, for a long time, Bancor has not received anywhere near as much attention as decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. But Bancor has been doing some very interesting things recently. Personally, I've been rather hesitant to provide liquidity into Uniswap because of the problems around impermanent loss. Can absolutely get you wrecked. I have missed out on gains. Yes, this is true. But I've also protected my portfolio. Now, the big innovation with Bancor is that they are offering single-sided liquidity provision with protection against impermanent loss. So basically, you can get rewarded for providing liquidity in Bancor without all of the risk that you get on a lot of the other decentralized platforms, without needing, of course, to use 2 tokens as well. You can just use 1 token. So in this situation, I'm just using my Matic tokens, and they're running just a crazy, insane promotional period right now with a great yield farming opportunity to get Bancor network tokens. So at this time, I'm earning 19% on my Matic, which is obviously awesome, and an insane 79% extra in Bancor network token rewards. And it's not just Matic, they're supporting a lot of coins right now. You can provide liquidity for all kinds of different stuff like the Graph. So if you're holding the Graph, go check that out, or Uniswap, you can go check that out as well. Now, a few of the more popular tokens, their pools are already full, so you can't actually go and put liquidity in right now. You can use BNT tokens, but not like USDC or Ethereum. One downside here is the gas fees. I paid $250 to stake my Matic tokens, so ouch. It's very easy to do though, just have to pay the fee. Just connect your MetaMask wallet, click on the big blue button, then choose if you're staking the BNT token, maybe you're staking the Bancor token, or another token like Matic. Enter the amount of the token that you want to stake, then click on stake and protect. It's literally that easy. It's super, super easy to do. But anyway, I just want to put this on your radar as an opportunity. The yields are like around 100% for a lot of coins when you account for the Bancor network token rewards as well. So definitely something to go check out. Your question for today: do you think this is the end of the bull run? Of course, you don't think it's the end of the bull run. Well, maybe you do. If you do, let me know. But actually, your question is, when do you think the bull run is going to end? Give me a day. Just let's pull numbers out of hats here, guys. What day do you think the bull run's going to end? It's going to be November 21st, 2021, March 3rd, 2022, whatever the date is. Let me know down below. Just curious to hear your thoughts on it. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.